Hi, Aayan. What are you going to build?
The Lego creator.
Very cool. How many pieces?
134.
Wonderful. Okay, let's open up the box. Okay, Aayan, what's your next step?
You're gonna separate the colors.
Okay. Does that make it easier for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got the red pile. What's the next pile?
The black pile.
Black pile.
And then it's gonna be the gray and then the white.
Wonderful. Okay. Okay, Aayan has separated all his colors and he's gonna start his first step.
Okay, the first step calls we need this, and then we need this, and this goes in here. Not too hard. It's so hard.
Oh, you're doing great.
And we add
What's step 2?
these and the goes on.
Do you like building Legos?
Yeah.
Yeah. What step are you doing, Aayan?
3.
3, okay.
Actually, I'm 4.
You're on 4 now? You're going so fast.
Told you. Now look at this rectangle. Here we have this. We need 2 more. Mommy, the white's all done now.
Okay.
Because we have some right here.
You like building cars, Aayan?
Yeah.
What's your favorite Lego you've made?
The car.
The car?
This one I built it.
This one's going to be your favorite? Okay, keep going.
Very fun.
Wow, so many steps, huh? Okay, go back to step 4.
I'm on step 6.
Okay.
Oh, here. Is this right?
Let's see. Okay, Aayan, you're on step 7. What piece do you need? You need 2 of them or 1?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I think that one's right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. That's the right one. How many do you need of them?
2.
2. There you go. Great job. Okay, where do they go?
What's your match? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10.
Is that the right one?
No.
No.
This match? Yes. Is these match? Oh, yeah.
And 2 blacks. These ones.
Did this go here? Yes.
Okay, you're on step 9. What pieces do you need? The gray ones?
This?
Mm-hmm. You're making that part. Pretty intricate things you have to make with these Legos. Very cool.
Now it's getting harder.
Now you're on step what? What step are you on?
Step 10.
Okay. You gotta put that piece on.
Now it's getting harder.
You're doing great, honey.
Where'd this go?
All right, Aayan, what step are you on?
42.
Wow, you come a very long way. Let's check out how far you've come on this car. Very nice. I see the lights. I see the engine.
Now
All
I'm
right.
doing the wheel now.
You're doing the steering wheel? Okay. Super cool. Is it connecting? Mm-hmm. Grab the second piece. All right, what step are we on now?
43.
Go for it. Look at the picture, line it up. Okay, next step, grab the pieces you need.
Holy moly, I need more red pieces here.
You need each one of those ones, Aayan. Two wheels are on. You got 2 more to go?
One more.
Okay, Aayan, are you finished with your car?
Yes.
Wow, it's super cool. Let me see it. Aayan's race car, the creator. Beautiful. Great job, honey. Thanks for sharing with us how to make Legos. Bye.
Bye.